everyone, welcome to Sammy's Studio. I'm Sammy and today I will be opening these Skelanimals blind boxes where they're basically just animals where they have painted on the outside like a skeleton, and these look so cute and I'm a huge fan of Halloween, so these are like perfect for me. So I'm so excited to open these, so we are definitely going to be doing that today and like right now because and actually they are pretty heavy. In all honesty, they definitely have some weight to them. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is awesome. This looks so cool. There is no paper inside, but on the side you do see who you get, and we got Max, which looks to be a bulldog, and this is amazing. This is so cool. I am loving these already. I'm so excited that we have more to open. I will definitely hopefully be getting more of these because these are so cool. I'm just amazed here. Next one we got is, oh, we got the very front one, which looks to be like a cat. I believe it would be a cat, but I'm not sure what the name is for this one, to be honest. I don't see it on the sides here. I don't see it on the sides, so I'm not sure what this one's name is, but it does look like a cat, and I love cats, so this is awesome. Right, here we go. Oh, we did get a repeat. That's all right. We did get another Max Bulldog, but that's all right. I don't mind because these are awesome. They are so cool. All right, I'm pretty sure this is definitely not a repeat because it doesn't feel like anything we've opened. No, this is definitely not a repeat at all. Come on, open up. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's the bunny. This one's name is Jack, and it is so cool. These are so awesome. I love these so much. Hopefully I can get more of them just because they are so cool. We did get 2 bulldogs, but that is perfectly all right. I just love these. And I love Halloween, so these will definitely be part of Halloween decor and also part of every other day decor. So that is all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!